Hello, my name is Mohammed. This is the first task for the course AI Product Management. So first thing first, I downloaded already this CSV file from the site and I'm uploading here in Google Colab. Then I'm reading this CSV file and I'm just visualizing the head. So I have 5 columns. The first 4 columns are my feature values and the last column is my labels, which I have to predict them. So first thing, I'm normalizing this data, so data cleaning. The first 4 columns, since I already have the range, I'm normalizing them between 0 to 1. So if I load this, so now you see that the first 4 columns, they're changing between 0 to 1, but the last columns, which is basically my predictions or my labels, I have to keep them as is. Previously, it was ranging in kind of various boundaries. So now everything is normalized. Here in this task, I'm using 2 methods. The first one is linear regression. So it's basically a function from this scikit-learn. First, I'm just defining my data and my labels. Then I'm splitting them 80-20%, so 80% for the training and 20% for the test. Then I'm calling my model, linear regression. Then I'm fitting for the training set. So the X train should fit this Y train. Once the training is over, I'm predicting my model for the test set. So I'm passing the X test and I'm getting this Y prediction. And the last, I have to compare Y prediction with the real Y. That's why I'm using this mean squared error. So Y test, which are my real label, and Y prediction, which are my predictions, and I'm comparing these two. And in the last part, I'm comparing them qualitatively. So I'm visualizing this Y test, the ground truth, and Y prediction. And I'm just showing this line Y equal X because my prediction and my real label should be similar. And that's the result. That's the mean square error, which is 20. And this is the visualization of prediction output with the actual output. So as you see, they're around this line, which is good, as I'm trying to have my predicted output as close to the actual output. The second approach I'm using is based on random forest. So it's another function from scikit-learn. I'm just setting up this random forest. I'm using 100 decision trees. Then I'm fitting the model for X train, Y train. After the fitting, I'm just calling for a prediction for X test and I'm getting the Y prediction. And as before, I'm comparing these Y test and Y prediction. So my prediction should be as close as possible to the real value, the labels. And here again, I'm just calling visualization and let's go for the result. So first we have to see this mean square error, which is 10, which is much better than 20 we had previously. And this is the visualization and the predicted output are closer to the actual output. So these are 2 methods actually I'm using. The first one, which is 20 mean square error, and the second one, which is 10 for mean square error. And basically the second one is much better choice. We might have better algorithm if you have like domain expertise and if you can know that these features should be transformed in a nonlinear manner, probably the output is going to be much better. Thank you.